Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Hotspot. There was a question from the rolling topic in GATE 2021 Mechanical Engineering forenoon session paper. A 200 mm wide plate having a thickness of 20 mm is fed through a rolling mill with two rolls. The radius of each roll is 300 mm. The plate thickness is to be reduced to 18 mm in one pass using a roll speed of 50 rpm. The strength coefficient of the work material flow curve is 300 megapascal and the strain hardening exponent n is 0.2. The coefficient of friction between the rolls and the plate is 0.1. If the friction is sufficient to permit the rolling operation, then the roll force will be in kilonewtons we need to find. Okay. So first of all, we have to check the condition whether while applying the force equation friction will be considered or not. So here L is equal to under root R, that is radius of roll, multiplied by delta H, that is the difference between the thicknesses after or before rolling operation. Okay, so (300) multiplied by 20 minus 18. Okay, and the value of this equation is 24.49 mm. Okay, now so condition whether friction will be considered while calculating force or not is delta is equal to H average divided by L, so which is 20 plus 18 divided by 2 whole divided by L, that is 24.49. So value of this comes to 0.77, which is less than 1. Okay, okay, so friction force is important. Okay, now so F roll, that is rolling force, is given by 1.15 L B, that is width, sigma O, that is flow stress, multiplied by 1 plus mu, that is coefficient of friction, multiplied by L divided by 2 into H average. Okay. Now in this equation we have the value of L, B and mu and H average. The only value we are missing is sigma O, that is flow stress. So that we can calculate by the equation sigma O is equal to K epsilon F, which is true strain to power n divided by 1 plus n. Okay, this is equal to K value we have given 300 megapascal multiplied by epsilon F we need to find, and value of n we have given 0.2 divided by 1 plus 0.2. Okay, so epsilon F, that is true strain, is given by ln H final divided by H original. Okay, when we put the value, final thickness is 18 divided by 20. Okay, so we get the value as minus 0.1054. okay, so this is in compression. Okay, 0.1054 in compression. Okay, because we all know rolling force is compressive force. Okay, now after putting this value, sigma O is equal to 300 multiplied by 0.1054 to power 0.2 divided by 1 plus 0.2. Okay, so finally value of sigma O comes to 159.4 megapascal. Okay, now this value of sigma O flow stress I'll put on the equation of F roll. Okay, so finally after putting the value, F roll is equal to 1.15 multiplied by 24.49, which is our value of L, and width is given 200 mm multiplied by flow stress that we have already calculated, 159.4 multiplied by 1 plus 0.1, that is value of mu, multiplied by 24.49. okay, divided by 2 into H average, that is 20 plus 18 divided by 2. 2 will be cancelled out. Okay, and finally when we solve this equation, we get the value of roll force. F roll is equal to 955.716 kilonewton. Okay, so this is our final answer for this question. Okay.